Boom! Oh my gosh! Okay, you guys, this is the HYPER GOGO Cruiser 12. It is an electric motorcycle designed for kids. I'm gonna finish unboxing it. I'm gonna assemble it, put it together, and get it all ready for the kids. And, hold up. So I actually asked HYPER GOGO if they would send Junie the Barbie Pink Outfit for hers because I think that she will love it. Okay, I'm getting close. It's taking shape. It looks so awesome. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh, it looks so cool.
Watch me go as fast as I can.
Okay. Ah!